Hello, what is up, everyone? I am back. Man, since my last video, so much has happened. It has been insane. So, my name is Daniel Curtis Hughes. Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, I show you how to make simple and effective moves in the crypto ecosystem. And man, some moves you can make. Okay, so we have a lot to cover. We have a lot to cover today. So let's just get right into it. So, if I didn't say it already, this is my channel, Dano Crypto. If you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, watch all my videos. I have crypto news and updates. I have some videos on NFTs. I have a few crypto guides videos for people who are just starting out. I have some specific coin videos. So one of the last videos that I did make was about crypto.com and their loyalty program with their Crow token. So something that happened. So we're going to cover a lot. So there's a lot of news to cover. So in this video, I was talking about their loyalty program, and something that they took away is the staking interest that you earn from CRO. If you're staking a certain amount, they completely eliminated it. So if you had let's just pull it up right now, crypto.com/rates. So if we go to CoinDesk, and then when that happened, they slashed the card rates and the rewards. So revisions to the crypto.com's card and staking rewards sent CRO token prices tumbling as much as 11% as the community expressed dismay over the changes that go into effect June 1st. So what they're doing is basically, in a blog post on Sunday, Crypto.com said it would reduce rewards on the usage of its Visa-enabled cards based on the tiers offered. Lower tiers such as Midnight Blue and Ruby Steel would get 0% staking rewards. Royal Indigo and Jade Green would get only 0.5%. Icy White, Frosty Rose Gold would get 1%, while Obsidian, the highest tier, would get just 2%. So I think what is happening is that at first they were offering these super high rates to get people interested in the project. And this is what we're going to get to. So this happened with CRO. So this is before all of this fiasco and debauchery has been happening with Terra Luna. That's the other story we're going to get to. So with all of these crypto companies offering these high interest yields and all of these APYs and opportunity to get paid passive income, it's not sustainable over time. So what we're seeing is that companies are going backtracking and say, okay, we can't offer that much. We're gonna have to tell our customers and see what happens. So what we're seeing now is something huge happened with Terra Luna. So I'll pull up the chart real quick. We're gonna go to the daily now. Luna at its all-time high was sitting at $119, $120. A possible coordinated attack happened where someone said, so let's go into it real quick because I'm not sure who it is. Terra UST got depegged and as a result plummeted. So when I say Terra UST got depegged, what that means is that Terra Luna in this project, in this ecosystem, is they have a algorithmic stable coin, and I'm not exactly well researched on what that is, but what I've learned is that the UST Terra is supposed to be backed 1-to-1 with Luna. So if you have one Terra, you should be able to exchange it for at least $1 worth of Luna. But with Luna's price, it has been surging due to the amount of wallets and the amount of liquidity and the amount of projects that have been building on the ecosystem. For instance, they have a wallet, Terra Station. Here's the wallet, Terra Station. It functions very well. It has NFT platform, not NFT platform, but it has NFTs on this blockchain. Terra's been doing a lot of things. It's been up. It was just in the top 10 of cryptos. And so if we go to Terra, if we go to UST, we can see here that it is at 17 cents. That is not a stable coin. So what we see here is right here, you can see where it completely started to depeg. And this was on the 9th. It got completely squeezed. Went as low as 35 cents on the 11th. And now it is the 14th. And we're sitting at 19 cents for a stable coin. So what that ended up doing was crashing Terra Luna. So we'll go to Luna again, and we'll go on the 7-day. On the 7-day, we see it just absolutely plummeting, and it went to 0. Now let's see what people are thinking. So Terra USD got depegged, and as a result plummeted to 40 cents in just a day. As UST knocked off the USD peg, the next wretched casualty was, of course, Luna. It fell 99%. So I saw it completely. I watched it since I found out and saw it go from $1. I actually on Voyager put a filled in order for $100 at $1.09, and then the next morning it got completely obliterated overnight. I think at 3 a.m. is when it just completely just went bye. So my thought was that, okay, it's sitting at $1. Let's see, I can just stack some Luna. But since then, since it's crashed, it has just gone haywire and has been acting almost like a meme coin, where it went to 0.000008 or 9 or something like that. So people have been putting in buy orders like crazy. And I mean, you can see it. You can go on the exchanges. You can go on and see all of the different buy orders that are happening, but also sell orders, because with buyers you have to have sellers. So at different points, people have probably been like overnight millionaires, because the coin has went over 1,000%. The Terra's went over, or Luna has went over 1,000% at different points. And if you would have caught it and just put $1,000 when it went to completely 0, you would have already just 1,000, 10x your trade there. It's just insane. So let's keep going. So, which was rock solid under the top 10 cryptocurrencies list for over a year. It is now positioned at the 200 spot or 100 something spot. Further dips can remove Luna under the top 100 list, as a spiral is way further down the list. However, a section of investors believes the Terra UST crash was coordinated attack by banks and insiders on the crypto market. Now, this is interesting. So, let's see. So Caetano Manfrini, the legal officer at GEMMA, a Brazilian-based crypto firm, tweeted that this was a deliberate and coordinated attack. So let's see. Today's attack on Terra Luna was deliberate and coordinated. Massive 285 million USD dump on Curve and Binance. Curve is a borrowing platform, and on Binance by a single player, followed by a massive shorts on Luna and hundreds of Twitter posts. Pure staging. The project is bothering someone on the right path. So what he means by that is that it could be a coordinated attack, because Luna has been doing very well. It is building up so much liquidity and so much promise, and could potentially be the next Bitcoin, and it could have pissed someone off. So it's easy to manipulate markets. It doesn't matter even if the market is trying, if these cryptocurrencies are trying to be as decentralized as possible. all markets are subject to manipulation. Someone will find a way to bring something down if it is getting in the way of their agenda. And you believe me, you and me know that the banks and any type of conglomerate of money holders, they have a big agenda. They are not going to stop with the agenda, which is basically complete control and taking over markets to where they control the money. People that control countries and control people, what is the easiest way that you can control a person is control the way that they use their money and control the way that they buy products. So this is what is happening. It can start with something like this, but I think that the proposal, so Do Kwon is the creator of Terra, and with his team, he's proposing to restart the project. They're not abandoning the project. This happens to projects, and it's been completely abandoned. So I think with this happening, it has promise to come back stronger, and for us, it's an opportunity to get in early and stack Luna and stay with it and give it 6 months, give it a year. This project can very well reach back to its all-time high, and we're all going to be sitting pretty and laughing at all the people that said that Luna is dead. So I'm okay with that risk, and it's not financial advice, but for me, I think it would be even just a smart play to right now at its price at 0.0, where is it at right now? Let's see. It's at 0.0004. You could buy this right now and lose all your money. But you could also buy it right now and potentially 10x, 15, 20x your money if you're patient. But you have to watch it. So it's a big risk. So we haven't talked about the big elephant in the room that's always Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has been kind of moving a little bit sideways. Let's see, on the hourly since the 9th, it's kind of just been going whoop. But then if you look, I got the MA cross on here, so you can see where it's crossed a few times, and that can usually trigger, sometimes the cross can trigger a buy, and it also can trigger a sell. So right here, if you were on the 11th, you could have seen this right here, seen that cross, and be like, okay, it's going to be going towards the downside. You see here on the 12th, right here, crossed again, and then now it's looking like it didn't hold the resistance at 30,000, and now it's back down to 28. So with it going to 28, now it's like it's anyone's game. It could be going to the upside again, or it could very well go down to right here, 20, down below 27,000. I think at the lowest right here, it went almost down to 20, down to 26. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. And I think with wife's making a smoothie right now. So I think with a lot of this volatility, I would love to comment on it. So I've been in crypto now long enough to where this doesn't scare me. I find it so people say, oh, you missed the boat with all this. Well, the boat's back. The boat's in your damn house. It's in the living room. So you can jump in right now and buy up all of these coins that do research on. But if you look in the top 10, the top 20, even just look in the top 100, look at where the metaverse coins are. Look at what are the most popular metaverse coins that are actually doing stuff. They're releasing land. They have a video game by it. They have a swap. They have a decentralized borrowing platform. They have NFTs. All of these things you need to pay attention to and see what where the money's going, where's the money flowing. You can actually, the cool thing about crypto is that you can see what people are buying. You can't really see necessarily what Warren Buffett and all these big investors are buying necessarily. You can kind of look at their portfolio a little bit, but I mean, it's sometimes hard to see actually what they're doing and what moves they're making. In crypto, you can actually see it a little bit more clearly, and you can follow what the whales are doing. Like, for instance, Polygon Matic is a coin that whales pick up and pick up at prices, even at the prices that it was just a few weeks ago, buying millions of dollars worth of Matic. Do they know something? I don't know. But I think if they're willing to buy Matic at $1.47, millions of dollars worth of it, I think I can buy, a couple $100 worth of it with it sitting at its current price of, if we can find it really quick, go back and let's look at Polygon. It's at 62 cents. Guarantee you, same whales that just bought it at $1.62 are just num. So you pick which one is the strong for you, but I have my list, and I've always said go on CoinMarketCap and build your watch list. Start looking at your watch list like this. You can see, okay, what's moving. Look at this. ADAX right there. That is a decentralized exchange that's on the Cardano blockchain. Something to watch out. 14 cents. A lot of these decentralized exchanges end up moving into the $20 range. So, I mean, there's just a lot of stuff that you can keep track of, and that's crypto. So I hope you guys have been okay. For any of the Terra Luna community, you're watching this video, my heart goes out to you. I really do. I feel bad, and it's terrible. I can't imagine that if you had all your money in that project and just seeing it completely disappear overnight, that would probably cause me to have a mini heart attack. So I'm praying for you guys, and I hope that we can see the light at the end of the tunnel. And I want you guys to know that I've bought Luna. So if that makes you guys feel any better, probably not. But I believe in the project. I think it might be revived. So I think with that being said, I'm going to end this video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed the content so far. Please, if you're catching this video, subscribe. I need to get to 1,000. I'm only at 122, and my channel's badass. I know it is. So it's going to keep getting better and better. Thanks, and peace.